Hello friends, welcome to Divid's Techno. Today I'm going to teach you how to install Zoom on Windows or Mac. So it's the same procedure on Mac or Windows, but today I'm showing you on Mac. So first things first, open, search for Zoom download on Google or any other browser. So it will show you download center Zoom. You click on it. If you have an account, you can log in over here, but if you don't, you can sign up. So over here, you'll have on the top download. You just simply click on download. Do nothing else. In downloads, you save. Now there's zoom.package. I open it. So terms of use, install for all. This takes 67.1 MB space on your computer. Install. So it lasts for your password on Windows or Mac. So it's writing the files, running package scripts, cleaning up. Yes, the installation was successful. So we have to move to trash because this is none of use. So it has open Zoom on ready. And to trash. So it logged me in because I logged in from over there. But like you didn't log in from over here and you're over here. So if you want to create an account, you can click sign up free, or you can have an email account and simply sign in, and it has signed me in, or you can just sign in with Google and choose your account, and you have to click open Zoomers app because it loads your account in the app. So it's connecting, and ta-da! You have your account. Download it. So please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Meet you later. Please look at my next video because it's the best topic ever in Mac. So bye.